Wallet DApp is a decentralized tool that allows you to interact with the blockchain and manage your cryptocurrency funds. It doesn't actually store your coins, but it gives you access to the assets that are securely held on the blockchain. So how do wallets work on LUNC? Your funds are always stored on chain, not inside the wallet itself. A wallet acts as an interface similar to an ATM, letting you view and manage your coins. If one wallet provider such as Station Mobile goes down, you don't lose access to your funds. Instead, you can simply switch to another provider, such as LUNCDash, to continue managing your assets. Think of the blockchain as your bank and the wallet as the ATM machine you use to access your funds. If an ATM breaks or isn't available, you don't switch banks, you just find another ATM that works. And this is true for wallets on Luna Classic. The blockchain securely holds your funds and you can use any compatible wallet to access them. So in short, your funds remain safe and accessible regardless of which wallet you use, as long as it connects to the blockchain.